Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to improve your Instagram camera quality. Let's help you figure some ways out. But first of all, let's hit that subscribe button and like button, it really helps me out. But first of all, let's make it clear that the camera quality also depends on the phone you are using. So if you are using an older phone, it's very logical that the quality is way less. But if you're actually owning a newer kind of phone and your camera quality is poor, the first thing I would recommend is to clear the back camera. Sometimes there are very little smudges on it. So please clean it very good. Just an easy way to fix it most of the time. So if, for example, you hop onto Instagram, click on the plus button, click on this plus button and go to camera. Make sure you wipe it very well with a special cloth, for example, because otherwise the zooming in and zooming out option can be very poor. So let's make sure the camera is clean. Next thing, make sure you have no filter on, because sometimes this will automatically happen and you don't know. Because, for example, I have this filter on, but you can't see that it is a filter when you open the camera, but the quality of the photos are way poor than normal, as you can see, but you can't see the difference very much. And the last thing you can do is use your stock camera on your phone. Let's go to here. Take the photo on your phone and upload the photo separately. For example, click on portrait mode and here you can adjust the light, studio light, because this quality is way better. I hope this helps, and if you have any other questions, please let me know.